Welcome to the Arazy Group's regulatory update. In today's update, we are going to give you a regulatory wrap-up in Ecuador that will include, first, notifications of medical devices; second, registration, re-registration, and modification of medical devices; and lastly, the classification rules of IVDs, DMDIV. Two guidelines were published between March and May of this year. Their purpose was to establish the procedure for updating information, notifications or notifications together with modifications, contained in the dossier of a medical device that does not modify its quality, safety, and efficacy. Here are some important points to highlight for the procedure for submitting a notification alone or together with modifications for MDs. Up to 7. Notifications can be specified in the reference code field of the application, separating each one with an and no spaces. An example is shown. When the application contains modifications and notifications in the same request, the modification and the notification codes must be specified in the modification details field instead of the reference code field of the application. In this type of request, only up to 4 modifications and 3 notifications will be allowed to be detailed. The corresponding payment order will be issued only when the request contains modifications, and the user must make the payment within 15 days. If you're looking to register your products in Ecuador, consider License Sale, our global medtech registration system for fast and easy market access. In May 2023, the 5th version of the Guideline for Requirements for the Registration, Re-registration, and Modification of the Health Registration of MDs for Human Use was published. This guideline includes 4 annexes that include updates regarding the required documents for registration, simplified process registration, re-registration, and modification of health registration for medical devices for human use. Finally, it is worth mentioning the following guideline for classification rules that was published last December 2022. This guideline details the updated classification rules for IVDs, giving some examples and including new definitions, such as software as a medical device. That's it for our update today. If you have any comments or questions, please do not hesitate to email or call us. Check the contact page on our website for an office near you. Follow Arazy Group on LinkedIn to view other countries' regulatory updates and the latest advancements in regulatory affairs technology. Stay safe and keep well.